This will be another really quick update to our To-Do app. We just learned about how to add event handlers to elements, and you may remember that we used to have a warning saying that we have a checked prop on our input, but we don't have any way to change that. So it says it will render a read-only field. So your challenge is to get rid of this warning by simply adding an on change to our input. And for now, it can just console log something. So pause now and give that a try. I'm going to close this console for some extra room, and this simply entails adding an on change that is equal to, and then I could write this function somewhere else, or I'll just do an anonymous inline function that console logs changed. While I'm at it, I'll put these on their own lines. And now when I click these, it doesn't change the checkbox, but our warning is gone and my on change is firing correctly. So we're going to learn about how to make these events actually change our state, and then we'll be revisiting this app again soon.